This case has grabbed the attention of a lot of people, including legal experts and law professors. They're watching this because it could be one of the highest profile cases Fulton County has ever seen. Fox 5's Tyler Fingert spoke to a law professor today who followed this case closely. Tyler continues our team coverage from the other side of the Fulton County Courthouse. What did he say, Tyler?
Yeah, Christine, good afternoon to you. As we await a grand jury decision, it has been a long time coming just to get to this point. Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis has spent more than 2 years on this case, and a legal expert I spoke to today says that an indictment would be just the start of a large court fight to get a conviction.
It's a very complicated case.
A Fulton County grand jury spent Monday looking at evidence to decide whether there's probable cause to indict former President Donald Trump and others for criminal meddling during the 2020 election in Georgia. The grand jury will not determine guilt.
It's a very low burden, which is why very oftentimes we joke about in the legal community about grand juries indicting ham sandwiches because everything favors the prosecution.
If indicted, this would be former President Trump's fourth indictment this year. Details of the Georgia investigation that are public have fed speculation that Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis is building a case under the Georgia RICO Act, which would allow her to charge multiple people in a potentially wide-ranging scheme. Anthony Michael Kreis is a Georgia State University law professor who has followed this case closely. He says while there are some similarities between other cases, this is only about Georgia.
Here in Fulton County, the interests are slightly different. So yes, there are overlapping themes and narratives and evidence, but the interest for Fani Willis is to really vindicate the rights of Georgians.
Depending on the outcome of the grand jury, Kreis says there will likely be allegations that this is politically motivated, but he says people need to focus on the evidence.
The thing about election law crimes is that they are very often going to involve political actors or political parties or political organizations or all sorts of partisan entities.
And again, once we find out if there will be an indictment, it will be the start of a very long process. And if this includes possible RICO charges, that will only add to the complexity. We're live downtown this afternoon. Tyler Fingert, Fox 5 News.
All right, Tyler, thanks so much. And this